Hey guys, what is up? It's Body Joseph here, and today I got another car repair video for you guys. We are going to be looking at where the battery is and how to change out the battery. I'm not going to be changing out the battery because I just got a brand new battery from the dealership because it was pretty old. So let's get on to the video. Okay, so we are going to take off 3 bolts. Never put your bolts in your engine compartments like I do. That's how you lose them. Don't move it. It's so hot out here. Okay? That's how we do it. And look, show. Now here, you have to move it just a tad bit, like tilt it, and also do not torque the battery compartment screws, because this is what happens, and that's how it strips. So I have to go to the junkyard and buy a new one of these. I wonder how much the junkyard is going to charge for me, and this is what happens. You can see that there's sand in here. From the dunes. Okay, I guess this is done. But wait, now we're going to put it back on. Oh shit. Get this. This is such a short video. Always tighten them by hand. And that's what happens when you torque them with a torque wrench. I mean, now it's open. Now anything could fly in now. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for the next video. See you guys then.